You don't want this. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to Jay Wheelie. So if you're from the area, you know it's been snowing recently. And what better way to embrace it than have breakfast over the fire. So we're just gonna eat our food here and then we'll go jump on the dirt bike and get it going. All right, so we are mixing 20 to 1. So 5 liters, we'll need 250 mils of oil. You gotta smell it, you know? Where's that 250? There's enough room. Okay, we'll give her a little shake. Shake that oil in. So last night when we got out here, I immediately grabbed this dirt bike and started riding it in the snow because this last summer was my first season dirt biking. Not that I went and did a lot of dirt biking, but it was my first time actually going places to ride a dirt bike. So yesterday was my first time in the snow and it was such a blast. It was a lot of fun. Went down to the beach and was trying to drift the bike down there and did pretty good, honestly. It was really dark and this thing doesn't have lights, but it did pretty good. I took one good spill on the ice and then I was ditch banging. It's a lot of fun. So we'll fill this thing up here and then we'll get out there. So this is the helmet that I actually learned to quad with, and I just shoved it over my head. Now this helmet I wore when I was like 12 years old, but you gotta be safe, right? Holy shit. Oh my God. I am never in control on this thing. Never. We better get out of the bush now. Whew. Oh, sorry, Swoosty. I killed it. I killed it. Well, you win some, you lose some. This spruce tree didn't win, sadly. Now we'll just leave him here. Maybe he'll grow back. Oh, it's a ride out here. I had enough on the dirt bike, so now we got the 400 out. We'll take her for a little spin. This thing has some very aggressive tires on it. Pretty fun, hey?
Scraping the floor? Like, what are you doing?
Just playing.
Okay. you. Nope. Leslie, nope. Hey.
You don't want this.
I want that.
You don't want this. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Hey. Oh, fuck.
Okay, that's it. That's it. You're done.
No, she's okay.
Oh my god, get out of here. Okay, okay, enough.
You have to do stretching time.
Enough. Okay, I stretched enough. Okay. Okay, enough. Ow, 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 that hurts. Oh. Okay.
What, you're nuts?
Let me leave.
Okay.
Let me leave.
Come on. You up.
Gotta put my quad away now. Oh, it's cold out here. Started up. I heard a firework or something. Let's see if she'll start.
You got your helmet.
My hermit. My hermit. We gotta choke it. All right, just like that, bing, bang, boom, we're heading home now.